right.
20%. The tropical weather outlook for the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico. At 8 a.m., shower and thunderstorm activity remained disorganized associated with a tropical wave located a few hundred miles east-southeast of the Windward Islands.
Yeah.
Environmental conditions could become more conducive for slow development of this system several days after it crosses the Windward Islands and moves across the eastern and central Caribbean Sea late this week into early next week. Formation chance through 5 days, low, 20%. Elsewhere in the tropics, at 8 a.m., a tropical wave was forecast to move off the west coast of Africa in a day or two. Environmental conditions could support some slow development of this system late this week or over the weekend while it moves westward at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Formation chance through 5 days, low, 20%. The air quality forecast for Wednesday in the Fayetteville area is 50 or code green. Air quality is good with the primary pollutant of ozone. Here are the 10 a.m. observations. The report from Lumberton was not available. In Fayetteville, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 82 degrees.
These.
This is NOAA's National Weather Service in Wilmington, North Carolina. The preceding
What?
was a test of weather radio station WXL 50 public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted between the hours of 11 and there is a threat of severe weather. The test will be postponed to the following Wednesday. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in North Carolina: Bladen, Columbus, Cumberland, Duplin, Harnett, Hoke, Moore, Robeson, Sampson, and Scotland, and in South Carolina for Marlborough and Dillon counties. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Public Warning Alarm System. We now return you to the normal program schedule.